In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete Behance account. Before we start, a quick heads up, deleting your Behance account permanently removes your profile, projects, appreciations, and followers from Behance. This can't be undone, so if here is anything you want to keep, consider downloading copies of your work first. It's also worth noting this action affects your Behance presence only. It doesn't cancel your broader Adobe account or subscriptions. Collaborations and project stats on Behance will disappear, and links you've shared elsewhere will no longer resolve to your work. Start by opening your browser and going to behance.net login with the account you want to remove. Make sure you are on the correct account, especially if you manage multiple profiles, because the deletion you are about to confirm will apply only to the one you are signed into. The process works best on a desktop browser, where menus are easier to find. Once you are in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile image. A menu drops down. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to your account settings area where all the controls for your profile live. On the settings page, scroll all the way down until you see the Delete Account tab. Click that tab to open the deletion options. You are now on the dedicated screen for permanently removing your account. Here, click the option that says, I want to delete my Behance account. Selecting this makes the system show you the final confirmation steps. It's designed to make sure you understand exactly what will happen, since deletion is permanent and immediate. Next, you'll see a checkbox confirming you understand the consequences. Read the note carefully, then check the box. By checking it, you acknowledge that your profile, projects, and activity will be removed and that this action can't be reversed. After that, you'll be asked to type your username as a final verification. Enter it exactly as it appears on your account. This extra step helps prevent accidental deletions and ensures you are the owner taking the action. When you are ready, click Delete My Account. Once you confirm, Behance begins the removal process. You may be signed out right away, and your public profile link will stop working as the deletion completes. If you don't see your profile shortly after, that means the removal has taken effect. That's it. Thanks for watching.